Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up.
So starting off, this is what came in the packaging. It came in this nice bag, and they put this thin wig cap, some lashes, a brush to apply your foundation on the lace, and a headband. They actually put 2 head wraps, which I'm really thankful for. So yeah, and then it came with this robe. I did not wear the robe today in case I want to give it away to somebody. And this is the wig. It's a straight highlighted wig. This is the inside. It came with 4 combs and an adjustable band in the back. The lace is a medium brown, but I am going to be using my Ruby Kisses number 14 and my spritz. I'm putting that in the lace just at the front and the part area, and then I put it on my head just to see what I'm working with, and I'm just making sure that it's sitting comfortably. Once you clip the hair out of the way, you're going to cut down the lace a little bit so you can see exactly what you're doing and the lace is not in your eyes. I'm going in with the spritz and putting it around the hairline. I did not plan to do any edges with this wig, so this is very essential so I can make sure I'm molding the hair properly to do no edges. And then once you do this, you're going to comb it out, going back, brush it back. And then I did put my headband for about 10 minutes. You could do 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'm going to retouch the straight hair. So I'm going with my Cara Care wax stick, and I'm putting this on my scalp, well, on the lace area. And if you really want it super sleek, you can do it in sections. I was a little bit lazy, so I just put it at the top. But if you're lazy like me, just take your time when you're pressing out the comb. Do it very slow and controlled. Make sure that the back side of the comb is touching the hair. That's going to give you the sleekest results. And then you should have something like this. This was good enough for me. I mean, I kept retouching it, but it was pretty good. And you could also just tie your hair down with a scarf and it'll help flatten it. I'm going with my Babyliss 1.5 inch titanium flat iron. I'm just running that through the hair just to help it get back nice and bone straight, because it came bone straight, so I'm not going to curl it. I'm going to leave it bone straight like it came. Now I'm going with my MAC Studio Fix foundation powder in the color C7. You can use your concealer. I was just lazy to get up to get it, so I'm just using the powder because it was close to me. And I feel like I like using powder more than the actual concealer. I don't know, but I think it came out really, really nice. So I'm just fixing up my part, and then I'm taking out the headband, and I'm going to cut down the lace. So you should end up with something like this. It should be a little bit molded in the front, so you could use your comb and just comb through it, help break up that cast type of feeling. And then I clip the hair back because I am going to cut the lace. I'm using my eyebrow razor to cut the lace in a jagged motion, taking my time so I don't cut my skin. I do these videos a lot, so by this time, if you guys are beginners and you're following along with me, I hope this is helping you out a lot. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up so I know that it's helping you. Give me a comment. You can even comment an emoji. I'm going to be having some wig giveaways soon. I'm going to start giving away the wigs in the videos as soon as I get back home, because I'm in Grenada right now still. But as soon as I get home, I'm going to start giving away the wigs in the videos. So make sure you guys are showing your support so I know you enjoy these videos. And if you can't afford a wig right now, just stay tuned, because I promise I'm going to be giving them away too. I decided I wanted to do a little swoop faux widow's peak. So I just did like a little triangle shape in the front of the head, and I cut it in an angle, and then I was kind of swooping it to see how I want it to go. And then I went in with my Extreme Gel. I love this because it dries so well and it stays in place. Absolutely amazing if you don't want anything too secured, but you want something that stays. I recommend using this, and it's affordable. I'm just doing a little swoop in the front. You will be going back and forth trying to perfect this, so just have a little patience. If you feel like it's not looking right, just keep messing with it. I just keep messing with it until I feel like it's perfect. And yeah, this is the wig. This is how quick and easy you can install your wig straight out of the packaging. I do recommend that you guys wash your wigs and hang it up to dry, but if you don't have time and you're in a rush, you can just go ahead and do it this way. And you can also just spray some spritz for a little bit more security in the part. And you could use a bobby pin on both sides to help keep your wig down. So yeah, I'm just blowing this on cool air. I did not really tie it down. I just left it for about 5 minutes, not too long at all. And then this is my results. This is Nadula hair. Make sure you guys check them out. I will have all the links down below, so you guys can get this highlighted wig if you're interested. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Where'd you go?